Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you must be fine and enjoying your days. Okay. So today the new alphabet that we are going to learn is T. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you how to write T. Okay. So how to write T? We have two steps. Starts from here. This is capital T, step 1, step 2. Then we will write T, small t. We start from here, like this, and like this. In two steps, we write capital T and small t. Okay, now we will study the words that starts from T, top, top. I will say English and you will say Arabic. أنا أقول English وأنت تقول Arabic. طيب top. أيوة, very good, excellent. طيب what's your train? Train. Train. Very nice, excellent. Truck. Truck. Very good. Tree. Tree. Very good, excellent, ممتاز. Triangle. Triangle. Very nice. I will repeat all the words once again. Top, train, truck, tree, triangle. Okay, now I will tell you how to write T in the 4 lines. Okay, see. So it's very easy, just 2 steps, Capital T, step 1, step 2. Small t, step 1, step 2. Very easily you can write the T, okay? Again I will write for you, step 1, step 2. Very good, excellent. I hope so you understand. Inshallah, I will see you with the other alphabet soon. Take a very good care. And enjoy your learning with Teacher Quratulain. Ma salama.